In this video I'm going to show you guys how to add hashtags to your YouTube videos. This should work on both iOS, Android and Windows. So if you want to add hashtags to your YouTube videos, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. So let's get started. First of all, open your YouTube app, click on the upload button, click on a video you want to upload. For example, I'm just going to choose this one. Click on next. Add a title, for example, how to blah blah blah. Add the description, for example, like this. And then at the bottom of your description, you want to add the hashtags. So, for example, how to hashtag tutorial. But keep in mind, only the first three will be placed above your title, like you want. So I suggest don't add more than 3. And then once you're done, just click on upload. Now we just wait a little bit before it's uploaded. So it's finally done uploading. So go to your uploads, click on the video, and as you can see right here above your title, you can see the hashtags. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'd appreciate that. Thanks.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.